Welcome to day 49. We've got a lot going on today. We've got the driveway being set out by the carpenters, the gate tracks, we've got the bobcat in place, we've got Tyson acting like he's working. We've got the masons plastering the cottage. Sticking mud into here. So we're literally going to be taking the driveway right across to the very corner. So we've now boxed it along here. And then we'll also marl in here as well. We're going to get all this broken out today, flattened and levelled. This will be levelled all the way through here. That will be concrete at some stage. Then it'll also come through here and level all this off today. So we're going to be going around about 3 inches underneath all the manholes all the way around, getting this completely levelled off. That's the aim anyway. So we need to get all the scaffolding off, all the unnecessary stuff that's not meant to be here, all the rubbish, all the blocks, all the jacks, get them all off. And then you can crack on with that. So let me take you up here and show you what the guys are doing. The guys are painting the outside of the cottage, try and make it a little bit less of an eyesore. It's not taking the primer very well. I'll show you inside here. So the guys are starting to go. Plastering's going on already. Excellent. So we're going to get the whole thing plastered on here, bar the ceiling. And they'll also get the door frame sorted out as well. Window frame's done here. That one's got to be sorted. That one's got to be sorted, finished off, and that one's got to be started. As has this one here. Everything's got to be done as well. And then later on, today stroke tomorrow, I'll come see you in a minute. We've got to get this sorted out as well. We've got to get the actual wooden formwork put in here and actually start building the stairs for the concrete wall and that as well. So Sherwin and his team are painting the outside. And we've got a kitchen fitter in there starting to fit the kitchen doors on the back, which is good. So the kitchen doors have come out really well actually. So he's starting to fit in there. So he's doing the rear doors first. If they come out right, then we'll look at the other doors as well. I'm also going to get the guy with the bobcat round here to finish off the other side, like I said yesterday. We've got to get this little corner tidied out. Down here, get this bit tidied out, and then I'm going to get him to come around here and try and bring some soil around to try and bring the actual level at least to the footing. So we'll raise it by at least a foot round here, and then we'll level it off, and then that'll be done. So yeah, so it's bobcat obviously the front and the rear, driveway being sorted out, plastering being undertaken inside, painting outside the cottages. They're the main things for today. And then we're hoping if we can get the plastering done, we'll actually start on blocking the garage tomorrow. That's the aim. The blocks have arrived, so we might actually start blocking up the garage. So fingers crossed we'll have a little bit of a dent on the plastering and the driveway today, so we can actually get that started Saturday through Sunday. Okay, we're just past 2 o'clock. Have a quick look where we are today. Driveway is nearly finished. So that's pretty much nearly ready to pour. Concrete man's en route to come and have a look. Our bobcat lasted an hour before it broke down again. Something tells me we need to find a different company on the old bobcat front, I think. We've got a great building. Looking a little bit prettier. So we've got these bloody door frames sorted out there. And the guys are plastering inside, so how are we today? We're getting on.
Don't stay in the way. Don't stay in the way. I got to put this in. I got to put this coming back side. It's not standing in the way. Don't in the way.
How you getting on?
Yeah, I've been just wasting all the money.
You're not doing any work?
Yeah, we do come. But what happened is that we had to go and get him. We had to wash him, mix it and do it. But you see it over there?
Yeah. Is it done, is it? You pulled that? Pulled, have you?
We started already.
Excellent.
Yeah, she's dirty, you know.
Bless you. Okay, so we've got The roof of the utilities cupboard, they're saying they're poured, which is good. Side of the building's been painted as well. Need to do the other side. The bobcat was starting to get soil up around here before it broke down. So have a quick look what he managed to do before it carked it as always. He managed to do 3 or 4 trips around here. So he managed to get that there, that's it. So he managed to get a little bit of mud here before it gave up the ghost. Shame. But anyway, we've got to get that taken around. I'm going to have to wheelbarrow that round there, so, and then we can get them to sort this out as and when they fix it, if they ever fix it. But yeah, so we're looking grey and painted. Thought these guys would have done a bit more plaster in there today, but they got one wall done. We've got the front wall done. We've got the side wall done, so it looks a lot better now that that's painted in, that's for sure, even though the windows aren't in. Just need to get the window jambs and door jambs done so it actually looks nice. So hopefully we'll pour the slab. The aim was to try and get all of the actual back here levelled off so that tomorrow we can actually pour the slab, but obviously we can't get behind here. Then technically if we go and do the driveway, then we delay sorting this mess out. So it's a bit of a catch-22 really. We don't really want to go pouring the driveway into the back stuff, but at the same time we can't delay, so we might as well just go over the drive. Can't rely on a bobcat, that's for sure. But anyway, as you can see, the driveway is pretty much all the levels are done. All the BRC's in, all the rebars in. It's good to go. So, and it'll definitely change the dynamics of the driveway, that's for sure. So, the sooner we can get that done, the better. So we'll see what he says when he arrives. Okay, other than that, I've got to go to the airport and pick someone up. So then I'll film a little bit later on when there's updates. Okay, so 4:30 and we've just seen out the last ones. Day in paradise over on the old construction world. Driveway is complete, ready to pour, apart from the front piece. I'm not too sure what's going to happen with the front, the little front lip there. It seems to be quite a deep lip. But anyway, that's ready to be done, so just waiting on the concrete man to book us in. Bobcat broke down yet again, so we only got an hour out of that, which I've already told you. They didn't come back to fix it, so that obviously means that we're not going to be getting any bobcatting done tomorrow either. George the plumber's still got some things to do. He's still got to sort the piping out down here, but we've got the mains water attached to the wall now all the way around, so we can now get that levelled off, which is good. The guys managed to get this painted. I showed you most of it anyway, but it's pretty much finished now on here and this side as well. So as you drive up to the property, it looks a little bit more pleasing on the eye. And the guys managed to do a wall in it today, so managed to get one wall plastered. So hopefully we can get the others done over the next couple of days. So this will be all plastered in here, and we'll get this painted white inside as well. So I don't want to go spending loads of time on this because we don't really need it at the moment. But the main thing is obviously is the inside. But we've had the kitchen doors, some of the kitchen doors put on, which look really good. So that's good. We've also still got to sort out downstairs, one of the main priorities. Certainly when they're going to start levelling off here as well, I need to try and get downstairs sorted out from here. So we need to get the steps sorted out and then get this all blocked in. But yeah, so the building's looking better in grey. We need to obviously take that grey around the side. I need to do that ideally before the bobcat gets loose. But other than that, another day over in Barbados. The sun is going down behind the palm trees. So, gorgeous, gorgeous end to the day. So I'll check in tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you can. Thank you.